Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will understand, or we have got one query that one of my team member is not able to edit the chat flow. Despite of giving all the permissions, all that thing, the team member is not able to edit a chat flow. So let's understand what is the reason behind it, why the team member is not able to edit the chat flow, and we'll try to resolve this in this video only. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, first of all, just go to more section and go to member section and look for the team member who is not able to edit or see the chat flow or not able to edit the chat flow. For example, I have this team member Rajan. First of all, click on this and make sure that he have access to bot. He have all the access for the bots that he wants to edit. You need to provide the permission from here and update the user. Alright. Next, you have to go to role. Whichever role that team member have got, let's say it was the sub-admin role, check this permission, bots permission, read, write and delete. If this permission is assigned to this team member, access to all bots and settings, the team member should be able to create the chat flow, edit the chat flow, and this issue will be resolved. So this is the thing that you need to check, not about the bot only or chatbot only. There are multiple settings or multiple role permissions that you can check from here and accordingly make the changes and assign the permissions to your team members. And in case if you still face any issue, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.